Oof, has it been a minute, guys? A few things have changed. So let's do this all over again. Welcome back to Bates Racing. Roll the intro. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Yes, I stole that from another YouTuber. And we are here today because we're adding another car to the channel. The Honda, not really a part of the channel. The Ram has been a part of the channel. But that has nothing to do with the car we're getting today. Now, my mom is on her way to come pick me up, to give me a ride to go get the car. I've already looked at it. Already chose it. Can't wait to see it again and drive it home. This is a new chapter for the channel and I am thrilled to have you guys riding along with me. And I cannot wait to see where this channel goes from here. Hey guys, do me a favor and let me know down in the comment section below. Does my cell phone do a better job recording or should I keep using the GoPro? I'll be using the GoPro in some of this video and I'll be using this as well. So I'll kind of be going back and forth. This is the camera. And this is the GoPro. So let me know what you think, if I should start using the phone now or if I should go back to the GoPro. And it looks like my ride is here.
Okay, oh boy.
Yep. Now I haven't told them what car it is, so.
Okay.
Yep, I did say that we are getting a car today though, so right. I'm excited, let's go. All right, so my chauffeur has arrived and we are on our way to our secret destination. But we have to make a stop first. And what's that stop gonna be?
We have to pick up poor Beignet. Whoa. There's
My bad.
UPS truck stopped in the road.
Bad timing. Take two. All right, guys. So we're on. I cannot talk. I can't talk.
You haven't done enough.
I'm excited.
Videos,
Yeah, I know. All right, so I haven't done a video for a while. So this is like take number 67. And also, I have a challenge for you guys. Tell me how much money this is down in the comments below. It's the most money that I've had in my hand ever.
And don't drop it.
Yeah, don't need the random other cars to know how much money we got either. So
don't roll the window down.
So yeah, give you one more chance, and that's it. That's all you're getting. That's all you're getting. And yes, don't roll the windows down, please.
Can you imagine?
Oh my
You'd be
God.
running around I-95 trying to pick up $100 bills.
Oh my God. Next you'll see us is either with the dog we're picking up from the vet, poor sleepy girl, or getting the car. See you in a moment. I'm excited. And I really hope I'm not going to be driving the LT. I need to stay quiet.
Yeah.
I'm really hoping I'm not going to be driving the new car in the rain. I almost spoiled the surprise. Maybe I'll cut that out. Maybe I'll leave that as a hint. We'll see how I feel when I'm editing. Guys, there was a first generation Viper, or maybe second gen. Honestly, I don't know the Vipers well enough, but it was an older bright yellow Viper on the side of the road and the other car was wrecked. So I think what happened is the Viper avoided the crash and was run off the road. It didn't look damaged. I couldn't see any damage, so I suspect the car will be okay. But oh my God, I managed to miss an accident.
Gee whiz.
People can't drive in Florida. I'm a little scared for my car.
Can't drive in the rain anyway.
Ugh. Oh, yeah, welcome to Florida. Rain behind, blue skies in front of us. Gotta love it. All right, it's a little while later. We got Beignet in the back. Hi, sweetie. She's still a little groggy from anesthesia. So we just arrived. Mom, you got a sneak peek of the car, right? What do you think?
Looks good.
Yeah.
I already saw it. The video.
You saw pictures and whatever, but it's different seeing it in person. And now, to reveal the new car for the channel.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress.
I'm on the GoPro now, and it's raining. No! Close it, close it, close it, close it. Ah! Never! Yeah. There we go.
Good nights all day.
Well, I plan to reveal a little more than this, but the weather had other ideas. Just as I pulled it out and was going to start recording, it started pouring down rain, and this car's never been driven in the rain, so...
I believe you got just under a half a tank of gas.
We'll see. Yeah. Even in the rain, she looks gorgeous.
Raining right here.
Welcome to Florida. I buy the car and it rains. How does this happen to me?
It'll be good luck.
Why is that?
Well,
They say if it rains on your wedding day, it's good luck. So it's not your wedding day, but
Close
good
enough.
car. Good
Close
car.
enough.
well, I can still hold true to what I told you. I never, since I've owned it, had it in the rain.
Yeah. I buy it and it rains.
I don't own it anymore.
Yep. This guy's so cool. He's got equipment for powder coating. He had everything, all the documentation on the car and all that. He's working on another cool car. This is cool. All this is cool. So, it's a good day. All right, guys, I am driving my brand new Corvette home. Well, it's brand new to me. And check that out. If this isn't a good sign, I don't know what is. Guys, this is a new beginning for the Bates Racing YouTube channel. All right, guys, it's a few days later since I picked up the car. The weather's finally cooperating, and I present to you my new Corvette C4. It's a 1995 in dark red metallic with a tan interior. Now, granted, I was originally looking for a white with red interior. This car came up on Facebook Marketplace, and I just could not resist it. So, we got the key fob, not in the best condition, but it usually still works. It's a little intermittent. And it's not cooperating today. We will just use the key. And left to unlock. The interior is beautiful on this car. I can hardly find a single flaw anywhere. I am so stoked to have this car. Now, she's a little dirty because, well, I don't have a garage yet. Whoop, there we go. So, what I've realized about this key is that it only seems to work for the driver's side door in this car. So when I approach, it unlocks. When I walk away, it locks and gives a little beep. But when I approach, everything unlocks. Very cool. Now, to get in this car is a little tricky. Plop in and then turn. Never put weight on the steering wheel. These steering columns have pins in them that are very fragile and can bend easily, and you wind up with a wobbly steering column. Cold start time. Now, I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit before I do any revs, but let's drop this down a little bit. All of the lights seem to work, and the car came with this plate that covers up the information panel for check engine lights and stuff like that. So in a future video, I'll have to take this off and do a real check to see if there's anything going on underneath. The AC blows cold. Nice. Now, since we're in Florida, it is hot, so this is a welcome sign that I was able to get a car that has working, healthy AC. But we're not here for that right now. So off, let's pop the hood. Now this hood is one of my favorite things about the car. Similar to the Dodge Viper, the whole hood comes up. And it is so cool looking. You can see the wheels, you can see the suspension, and of course everything in the engine bay. Now the previous owner installed a K&N air intake, and he also cut out the front of the airbox, which allows better airflow into the car, which of course would come through here when the hood is closed. There's also a modification to the throttle body, I believe. I forget exactly what it is, I'll have to double check. Alternator and everything runs well. Got our computer here. It is basically a stock car. Newer battery. When I got the car, he disconnected the hood lights, but I reconnected them because I don't really sit with the hood open very much. So, hood struts are working well, headlights are clear, and yeah, it's beautiful. I couldn't be happier with this car. Now let's drop this hood. Let me drop it down carefully. Spread out the hand. Click. This one's a little harder, but click. I love the saw blade wheels. Now these are also directional wheels. So when you see these cars with these exact wheels, this is the proper way they face. The reason for that is it actually sucks air out from underneath the car and kind of shoots it out when the car is moving at higher speeds, and that airflow cools the brakes. Now, when you have the wheels facing the other direction, it's sucking air from the outside and pushing it underneath the car, which is going to give you instability and poorer performance at higher speeds. One of my favorite parts about the car. If that's not 90s style for you, I don't know what is. Now, the Corvette C5 was the last car in America that had flip-up headlights. Now, what I just found out is when I just put on the park lights, only the fog lights come on. If I have them turned on. But, when I flip it all the way, see from the point of view of the driver, there go the headlights. These are so cool. Now, if you noticed, when I flipped the lights on, they just flipped over, no drama. A lot of times on these older Corvettes, when the headlights flip, the motors have a ground up gear because, well, it's a 25-year-old car. 25? 26. It's a 26-year-old car. So those nylon gears inside the motors wear out over time. What'll happen is when it flips, it'll kind of go clang, 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 clang. And it sounds terrible, and it is terrible because you got to go in there and replace the gears. You can either replace them with new nylon gears or you can replace them with metal gears. I am so excited to make content with this car for you. I am so excited to take this to the track. I need to get it checked out by a mechanic. I want to do paint correction. As you notice, it's a little dirty. I have a storage tent on the way. So guys, do me a favor, go check out my Instagram and follow me there as well. I'm posting pictures. I got a photo shoot done the other day, and the pictures came out so good. I love them. Now, I love this car. You guys are my motivation for doing this. I am so excited to have fun with this car. My plans for it are huge. Fixing anything that needs to be fixed, which so far is next to nothing. Fun races, car shows. Before we go, you gotta hear the exhaust. It seems to be the factory exhaust. And guys, look, if you look underneath this thing, it's so clean. It's so clean. And believe it or not, this car spent most of its life in Pennsylvania. Did I mention the best part of it is it's a manual? Save the manuals. Have a great day, everyone.